Hey everybody, my name is Allison and welcome back to my channel, Allison's Journey. So in today's video, I'm going to do a Stitch Fix unboxing, and for anybody that's new, I'll just give you a brief description. It's a styling service. You pay $20 a month or every 3 months or however often you want to sign up for it. It's a $20 styling fee and you are sent 5 pieces to your doorstep after submitting a style profile, and if you keep all 5 pieces you get the items discounted, but if you just keep it like any one of the pieces at all, the $20 that you paid for your styling fee goes towards the item. So I'll leave more information in the description down below. Let's just get right into it. So for anybody that is new, thank you so much for joining. I do lifestyle videos, so I'm doing videos about my weight loss, hauls, makeup, unboxings, things of that nature. So a little bit of everything. So if you like those kind of videos, just hit the subscribe button down below. And for anybody that is joining me back, thank you so much. I appreciate you coming back to my channel. I appreciate the support. Thank you so much. So let's just get into this. So here is my Stitch Fix box. So it's a bit small this time. So if there are shoes in here, it's going to be something small. I remember the one time it was like a really big box. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm not going to look at the prices or anything like that. I'll save that for the end. I don't want to be biased in my opinions when trying these items on. Oh wow, okay. So they did send me. So you always get a return mailer to send the items back. That's part of your $20 fee that you pay. And here they give you a pricing sheet as well as a note from your stylist. I don't want to look, I don't want to look, I don't want to look. I just want to read the note from my stylist. Hey Allison, welcome to your first fix of 2019. I am so excited to have the chance to style for you again today. I hope you are having a great week as you look forward to some fresh, new, eye-catching and girly looks as requested. Also, I kept this fix to our lowest price points to make your wallet do a happy dance. To start, this light purple hue on the thread 4 thought knit top is a lovely feminine option to style with jeans. Add a black moto jacket and these buckle booties from Diva to complete the look. I spotted lots of fun skirts on your Pinterest, so I have added this lace option from Skies Are Blue. The pink clover pullover offers a cool cross front detail and will be perfect with distressed jeans and booties. I hope you love this one, Allison. Cheers, Sarah H. Well, she said style you again, so I guess that is my stylist from last time. So just reading the card, and they send it in an envelope. So this other sheet is the pricing sheet. So it's sounds like I got some booties. So I'll start with that. Whenever they send you shoes, they come in these like little baggies. So again, I'm not gonna look at prices. For some weird reason, anytime that Stitch Fix has ever sent me shoes are slightly too big. Oh look, there's a cat here. She sees a box. And my other 2 cats were getting along, so I apologize for the hissing. Okay. So, you can't, the way she's standing, you can't actually see it, but I need you to move, girlfriend. Sorry. So these are the boots that they sent to me. They seem like a faux suede material, and they have this little buckle on the side. It zips up over here. Eyeballing them, they seem a little big. If that's the case, then their shoes just run larger than I'm used to. I'm trying to see the size. I don't readily see the size, which is strange. are cute. I've been kind of wanting like a black pair of booties, like something simple. Oh, here it is, 6M. So yeah, these might be a little big on me, but we'll see. And as far as the heel, gosh, it looks like 2.5, 3-inch heel maybe. Because I got booties, I got a small little burrito. I know everybody loves looking at the burrito, so this is what it looks like on either side. So the first item that I see here is this army green color, military green. Wow, soft. This is probably one of the only green items that I own, so you can kind of see the difference in color. So this is nice and soft. It's like a sweater, and it's hard to tell, but it's got this cute little cross front. This is a size medium from Pink Clover, long sleeve. Definitely has a length to it. Looks like you could get away with wearing those with leggings. Next piece, wow, with the green. Well, this is a different shade. It's like a green, like a hunter green kind of color. Funny, they sent me like a lace skirt last time, and I sent it back because I didn't like the way it looks on my body. I didn't film the whole video, unfortunately, so I didn't post it, so you guys didn't get to see that. But this is a lace skirt, and it has a lining under it, which ends about here. So just putting it up to me, it goes a little bit below my kneecap. This might be difficult for me just because I am short, so this might look weird. But this is Skies Are Blue in medium. Obviously, those two green colors will not go together. The next item is this like a mauve color. I do like this color. Eyeballing it. Ooh, it seems like a tie front shirt. So it's a basic, it's a size medium, threads for thought. It's got a, I guess, V-neck, rounded V-neck front, and it ties at the bottom. I could only imagine, this is probably like 38 bucks, and it's hard to like justify paying 38 bucks for a basic, honestly. And the fifth item is, what have we got here? Oh, I think I have this. You can basically go through and like pictures and whatnot. So I feel like this is something that I've liked before, but it's this really pretty tank top. It's got this lace overlay, which has like flower overlay. The back of it has this keyhole button, and the front of it, so it's like stepping up the basic a notch. Oh, and this is probably a medium from Wantable, and I can't readily see the size, and I don't want to look at the tag. Yeah, so this seems like a really flowy top. It might be too big, like my bra might hang out on the side, or sometimes I have that problem with like short sleeves where it's like really big and baggy on the side. I put medium on my style profile, but depending on the piece, like I can do small. I mean, I can do small in real life. It's just sometimes I prefer, you know, not so tight of a fit, but overall their sizes seem kind of like big, I guess. But anyway, let's get into the try-on next. Alright, so here's the first look. I'm just wearing my jeans that I already own. I'm wearing that shirt. I have a feeling, just knowing their prices from other stuff, this is probably like a $38 top. I have a shirt that's very similar, and that I got honestly from Walmart, and it has like a cute detail in front. the shirt I have is maybe slightly darker that I own in real life, but it ended up being like $10, whereas this honestly is $40. I don't know that I can justify that, but it does have a little bit of a booty coverage, which I like, and I am pairing it with those booties. They surprisingly do fit. Now she said she went with a cheaper price point, so I guess we shall see. I could imagine he's coming up as like $80 or something, which absolutely not. I have a favorite boutique that I can get boots for cheaper. So yeah, these are a nice ankle booty. I cuffed my jeans because it looked kind of weird tucking it in. But yeah, look one complete. Alright, here is look 2. I kind of tucked in the necklace that I was wearing because it takes away from the detail, but it's, sorry. It's got this cute little cross stitch here. It's a nice, like, sweater, definitely enough to stay warm in the office. So it's definitely unlike anything that I own. The sleeve length is long, and then the sleeve here has this like ribbed material, but everything else is like smooth. It's like soft. I guess it's nice that it's longer. It doesn't look weird just like bunching the sleeves up. But yeah, it's definitely different from what I own, but I guess we'll see on the price. Same thing down at the feet situation. Just, you know, wearing the booties. Alright, so here's the next look. I wanted to try the black tank on its own before pairing it under the skirt in case it didn't look right. But here is the top. Obviously I would wear a strapless bra. I'm wearing a white bra. As far as in the office, I would still put like a cardigan over this. But this is the only thing that has changed, is I just tried this on its own. And I'll be back and try it with the skirt. Okay, and so here is the final outfit. So I have the skirt on with the tank top. The tank top is longer, so I did tuck it in. That was a thing that I wasn't thrilled about with my last fix, was I wasn't sure how I liked how my tummy looked. But I'm wearing it with those booties. I don't know that I would necessarily pair it with the booties. I'll show you. I don't like my legs, so I don't like how high up these come on my ankle. I just feel like it accentuates the thicker part of my leg. You know, because obviously the smallest part of my leg is my ankle, and it's covering up that part. So, but this is the outfit. But yeah, this is a nice length for the office. I mean, it's a little questionable with this part, but the overlay makes it more conservative. So you can definitely make this work in the office. So let's take a look at the prices, shall we? Okay guys, so we are going to look at the pricing sheet. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So the Stylist pick subtotal is $247. Buy all discount, which you get a 25% discount, so that takes off $61.75. So then the subtotal is $185.25 minus the $20 styling fee. So that brings the grand total to $165.25 if I were to get all 5 pieces. Individually though, okay. So the faux suede booties, which I'm wearing on my feet right now still, that is $69. Like, yeah, they're cute, they're comfortable, they actually fit. I don't like where they hit me on the ankle, so I don't know that I'd want to keep. The next item is the Bay front cross detail pullover, and olive is the color that they describe it as. So this was a nice top, just as a reminder. well, it's inside out, but it's this one here with the cross front, and that is $44. The Skies Are Blue lace skirt that I'm still wearing on my body, the green color, that is $48. The Lavapella knit top in black, which is this here, this tank top, is $48, and threads for thought, the knot front blouse, just as I thought, $38. It's funny, like once you get to know like a price point on something, you can pretty much guess what it is without looking. So let me know down below what your thoughts are. I kind of gave my opinions, I guess, as I was wearing everything. The skirt I actually do kind of like, but I don't know. I guess feedback from others, your thoughts on how it looks on my body, whatnot. I guess I do like that, and I do like I pretty much like the basics. I like the pullover top and the shirt. I don't know if I like how it makes my tummy look, which I'm working on. If anybody is following me, I am doing keto. I just started recently, so, you know, the body will change, but still, I don't know. And again, it's the jeans too. I'm kind of wearing jeans that are a little bit tighter on me, so you get a little bit of the muffin top situation going on. So if I was wearing like a nice high-waisted jeans, you know, it'd sit a lot nicer on my body. So I don't know, I guess the two things like that I do like are the two tops. Oh, and I'm sorry, I guess I kind of stopped showing you. So the last item that I mentioned was the $38 top, and it's this here with the knot in the front. I don't know, honestly, that this is worth $38. At least last time when they sent me something that I actually bought, it had this cross front, it was like striped, and I believe long sleeve. Like that to me was a little bit different for my wardrobe. This is kind of the same color that I have already in my wardrobe, and I mean, I bought it, the other item, for $10 as opposed to $38. So I don't know, at the same time, if I don't get anything, the $20 goes to waste, even if I get one item out of the fix. I don't know. Leave me your opinions down below, and again, I appreciate you stopping on this video, and have a great day.